Oh my goodness!
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be.
Good morning, buddy. Merry Christmas. Carter woke up first. He woke up at like 7:15 and it is now 7:45 and Tanner is still not awake. Ella is eating and Carter is being so patient that we think that he should get to open one present while he waits.
Is this from us or from Santa?
This is from us.
Oh.
This is from Mommy and Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Bubba.
What is it? Oh!
What is it?
This.
Look at the other side. Did you want that?
Yeah. I want to open it. Go downstairs.
Baby, I have to tell you, you are so patient and I'm so proud of you.
So soon.
I'm so proud of you, baby.
Tin Man's just about awake. Mommy's almost done editing. We could have a free day. Ella is patiently waiting. Carter, get away from that door.
1 minute.
Just heard a noise in Tin Man's room. Looks like he's finally sitting up. He likes to wake up slowly though. He does not like to just jump right out of bed and go. So we'll get him in 1 minute.
Go wake up, bro. Nicely, wake him up nicely, okay?
Hi,
Good morning.
Aw, Carter, that was so nice, babe.
Oh my goodness!
Which one says Carter?
What's this?
That punching bag. Get it, Tina. I knew that'd be your favorite from Dollar Tree.
Ow! Ow!
It's Blaze?
My goodness. I found another chocolate.
Ooh, lots of chocolate eggs. Here, Bubby. Stick-bot dinosaur?
Yeah.
Whoa. What is that? Who is it, Tia?
Whoa.
Police car. Oh, that's Chase. Oh, fingerling. What in the world is that? What is it?
What's the fire truck? It's so heavy. Please open this.
Hey, buddy. Mommy and Daddy have no idea what's in this big red bag. Santa must have dropped that one off for you.
This is Santa's bag.
Say high five. Tana Santa Zach started singing.
Wait, let Tanner get it, baby. You got this.
This is so heavy.
Tanner, look what Santa got you. Carter's helping you get it out.
Oh, it's heavy. Mickey Mouse. Look, that's Marshall.
Tanner, look it.
Oh, you look like cakes.
Ooh.
And Pete has that.
Yeah.
Tanner's not gonna stop dancing with Mickey today. Oh, it's a little photo album. And I put pictures in there, right? You got a lot of toys. You're so blessed, aren't you?
Hey, how about you give the doggies their present?
Oh,
It's right here.
okay, Merry Christmas, doggies.
Merry Christmas, doggies. What's this?
Oh.
More. Hey, what's this?
This is for both of us, honey. For Carter J. Aww, Bubba. Carter,
What?
did you make this? This is so good. Thank you. I love it. Where should we put it?
Right there.
A little unicorn. Yeah, that for Sissy?
That is really cute.
Ow. Ow.
What'd you get? What'd you get, Tan? What is it? Tanner got his fire.
So this will be done pretty soon. Smells amazing. Got some turkey sausage going. This is the cranberry sauce I made last night. I just put this pork in with 2 cups of barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna do 2 cups of cranberry sauce, and that's literally it, and let it cook. So hopefully this turns out yummy. He probably had to be really fast because he has a lot of houses to go to. Did you drink the milk? Did you drink the milk? Yeah, we're gonna get cancer germs on your mouth. This time.
I'll tell you, we said I take one cookie, a bite in this.
You took a bite of the Santa's cookie, now you're pretending to be him. Really silly. Alright, let's go eat.
Crickle's here. About 15 minutes before people are supposed to get here. And we're not ready. But that's alright.
That's okay.
Tin Man's,
Late anyway, except for Grandma.
Tin Man's showing Crickle everything he got. Oh, Crickle and Baby are here. We forgot. Big announcement today.
Sweet pea.
I don't like Kissimmee. Kissimmee's a
That's a lot of bacon
Bring
right
home the
there.
bacon.
Everybody's here.
Foreigners. Just say a supermarket. Mickey Mouse work.
One of their favorite gifts was that from the dollar store, the Ninja. Huh.
I would say their favorite gifts in total probably were like $20.
Yeah.
Yep.
They like
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
We love you, baby Jesus.
Oh, good job. Okay.
Now they don't eat.
Guys, did you have a Merry Christmas?
I like all my friends.
What?
All my friends.
You had fun on your Christmas with all your family? Oh, did you get everything you wanted? Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tanner, did you have a Merry Christmas?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm so happy. I love you guys. Can't believe Tanner turns 2 next month.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, dinosaur Tanner waking up daddy. You gotta wake him up with kisses, guys.
No.
Not much different from how you guys wake up in the morning, except for Tanner has a load in his pants.
It's I smell something. There's not even alcohol in this thing. Hey guys, we're cleaning up. Another successful Christmas day. We had, so people don't even really know who was at our house today. We hosted. Surprise.
It's 8:34 p.m., but it feels like 3 a.m.
It's 8:34, Tiff's dying. Why don't you come in the picture here, honey?
I'm dying.
We had mostly Tiff's family
Come
here.
here, baby.
Really her dad's side of the family, her grandparents, cute grandparents, they're the best.
We love you, Grandma and
Grandma and
Grandpa. I know
Grandpa.
you watch every vlog.
Yes, they do. And Grandpa said as they were leaving, hope you get to 200 soon.
It's
I didn't know what he was talking about, but then I figured it out. And other than that, my parents come because my aunt used to host Christmas Day, and then she moved to Florida. And if you watch this, Aunt Andy, thanks a lot because now we host. But
I miss your Cosmos too.
Tiff misses your Cosmos. I miss your. Well, my mom made a good fillet.
Yeah.
But so the fun part's over. Now it's cleaning up the mess, which this doesn't look that bad. It's really not all that bad. We've been doing it little by little, and
I was like in the middle. I'm already naturally dizzy because I haven't slept in a month or 3 years, but I was trying to like clean up as I went.
That's-
We're snuggling.
sorry.
I was trying to clean up as I went, but my sister was like, Tiff, just like go spend time and clean up later. And it makes sense because I want to spend time with my family, but at the same time, I'm so tired now to have to clean. But anyway, it was nice that I got to sit down and talk with my grandma and my grandpa and my uncle and stuff. I didn't see Chris like at all today. I
No,
saw
we
you
tried.
in the morning.
I hide. No, I run around cleaning up and chasing the kids and eating.
What do I do?
You're getting to spend time with people. It's nice. She's all hopped up on fudge. Don't mind her.
Babe,
See that fudge back there that was banging?
Are you kidding me right now?
No, I'm just.
I have
yes,
been cleaning
okay.
and cooking all
She
day.
has. She is not.
And I made a delicious pork and
did.
delicious green beans
It was all
with
great.
bacon and brown sugar. And someone was like, you did a great job, Tiff. And you're like, you mean Crystal?
I was joking.
Crystal's my sister, by the way.
She's not
But
happy
Crystal,
about
Crystal made yummy stuff too. But I also did.
I was trying to give Crystal some credit too. That's all. Anyway, kids got a lot of stuff. We have to sort through all
Too
that.
much stuff. We're
That'd be
donating.
fun.
We're donating a lot this week.
Can't
A
wait
lot.
to donate.
Clothing, toys, everything.
God, how do you YouTubers out there do it? Arm is killing me trying to hold this camera up. It's been 3 minutes. Anyway, boys got a huge, like, convenience store,
Melisenda grocery store.
thing. It's got a little conveyor belt. They were loving playing with that. And
Ella was adorable on her first Christmas.
she's the
So
sweetest.
sweet.
And they're all passed out now. They're exhausted. So we are gonna clean up. 8:38. I'm thinking should take like 30-40 minutes, and then we can get in bed, edit this, and relax.
You're editing.
Yeah, great. I have work tomorrow.
Me too.
I don't really need to be there till like 10. I think I'm gonna leave the house around 6.
It's okay. I don't blame you.
Maybe go to Starbucks. You know. So our biggest exciting thing is that we're really excited about a bunch of gift cards that we got because we want to just like go to the movies with the kids.
Yeah, super excited.
My mom got me a Build-A-Bear gift card, and I opened it up. I was like, I think this is for Carter, and she's like, no, it's for you. And
I've been dying to
I know.
go to Build-A-Bear
We're
because it's always
excited
like,
to do
our
that.
kids are way too young, Tiff. Like, we're not going to Build-A-Bear. But I'm super, I'm going to say stoked, but then I realized I probably shouldn't say stoked
don't
because
say
it's
stoked.
not cool to say stoked. I'm so tired. I'm going to
Yeah.
cry. My eyes are watering.
I think you should go up. Let me take care of this.
No. Yeah, right. I'm not going to leave you with all this mess.
Well, we hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and have an even better New Year, and we'll all be in it together. 2019, we're gonna rock it.
I'm going to kill it.
This is the year that I finally hit 15K on YouTube.
And I hope I hit 200.
I just started like 2 months ago, and
I just started and I'm already at 15K.
you know, cruising.
Alright, fiance.
Have a great night. Let me go. I can't turn it off. Hello? Send help.
Over and out again. My future needed clarity.